so hungry. I'm gonna go have a midnight snack. Oh, what did he do to me?
It's a translator. You can understand me now, right?
Yeah?
I'm Mac, and this is Cheese. We come from a galaxy far away.
You must be hungry after your long journey. Want to come have craft dinner with me?
Sure.
I'm making craft dinner.
We have that on our planet, but we make it a bit differently.
What do you mean?
Well, we shape it into fried balls.
Can you show me?
Yeah. First, you're gonna need to freeze some mac and cheese. Then, cut it into strips and little squares that we can form into the balls. Then we need to crack some eggs to dip the balls in. Beat the egg. Now we form the balls. Put the balls in all-purpose flour. Then we put them in the egg, and finally we roll them in panko breadcrumbs. Then, once they're done being rolled in the panko, we need to again put them in the egg. When you do this, it makes them more crunchy. Now we have to deep fry it. You can use an air fryer or a deep fryer. We're gonna put them in to deep fry in the oil at medium-high heat. Very gently. If they sizzle, that's a good sign. Now, let's carefully take them out. They're done deep frying. Finally, once they're done cooling, it's time for plating. You can drizzle any sauce that you like on it, or just have it plain. We're using pizza sauce. Finally, they're done. Let's eat. That's my captain calling. Well, I'll remember to visit Earth some other time too. See ya.